My original A1c was at a 6.8, and then after about 8 weeks, it fell to 5.8. I weighed about 215 pounds, and then after a couple of months here, I'm down about 10 pounds. First of all, my blood sugar, pre-diabetic, actually it was going higher than that, higher than pre-diabetes. And my doctor had warned me, he said, if you keep going up on your blood sugar, you're going to be in full-blown type 2 diabetes and you're going to have to start on insulin. I didn't want to do that, did not want to start insulin. And then the other thing was just weight gain. I just still feel overweight. I still am overweight. I wanted to lose weight. Before starting with mastering diabetes, I ate food that made me feel very sluggish and heavy and tired. Now, on the Mastering Diabetes program, I feel much lighter. I don't have that heaviness in my stomach that I used to have, and much more energy as well. I was first introduced to Mastering Diabetes through a nutritionist, a dietitian, and I started to look at it, and I bought the book and read up on it, started thinking about it. I just wasn't sure that I was ready to make that commitment, I guess. So quite a bit of time went by, and I started thinking about it again. I talked to my wife about it, and we thought it was at least worth looking into. And then we set up an interview with Robbie and talked it over with him. We decided to go ahead with it. Some of the other things that I was trying as far as diet concerned was not really making an impact my blood glucose or my A1c or my weight. I wanted to give it a try to see what would happen with those areas when I was on Mastering Diabetes. My first impressions of the program, it seemed very well organized. Went on to the website and started learning through the modules, the classes that are offered, gaining a lot of information there. Just all the information about different recipes, and there's a lot there. I have a ways to go before I feel like I've seen most of it. So there's a lot of information, a lot of good information. The coaches are great. And I think being able to have a coach that I get to talk to once a week on a Zoom call has been very encouraging and very positive. Of course, the biggest thing was the A1c coming down. I was really waiting for that to see exactly what was going on. I knew that I was feeling, like I said earlier, I was feeling lighter, not as heavy after meals. That felt good, more energy. But then when I had the A1c down to 5.8, that's when I knew it was working. My original A1c was at a 6.8 prior to the Mastering Diabetes program. And then after about 8 weeks on the program, it fell to 5.8. Prior to Mastering Diabetes, my blood glucose level was at 140, and now on the Mastering Diabetes, I've been able to get it down to 82. I weighed about 215 pounds, and then after a couple of months here, I'm down about 10 pounds. So prior to the Mastering Diabetes program, I was taking 500 milligrams of metformin 3 times a day, and now I'm just taking just the one metformin once a day at 500 milligrams. So that's from 1,500 down to 500 in a little over 2 months. In the morning, I have like a chocolate shake, but it's got beans and water and cacao powder, dates, flax powder, and some peppermint extract with some PB2 pure powder. I really enjoy that for breakfast. That's been really good. And then for lunch, I've been having a salad, just plain lettuce, and then a baked potato on top of that and then some brown rice, some corn, some beans, and some salsa. And then for supper, I've just been trying to have just some plain soup, actually just kind of broth with some rice and some corn and some beans. So that's kind of where I'm at right now, and I've been enjoying it. Yeah, knowing what I know now, what I've learned, and the changes that I've made in my diet, I'm really hopeful that I can continue the A1c downward and losing the weight that I would like to lose. So I am positive. I think that the future looks good for these things that I'm working on. Yes, the accountability part of the Mastering Diabetes program is very important. I know that from past experiences, if I've tried to do something like this, I suppose, it's easy enough to just quit after a while, but it's been very, very good to be able to meet with my coach once a week. And so that accountability right there is very important. The biggest lesson that I have learned in mastering diabetes is to stay committed to the program, to trust the information that I'm learning online at the Mastering Diabetes website, to trust the information I'm getting from my coach and from some of the other folks who are doing Mastering Diabetes. So I think that's probably it. Well, I would recommend Mastering Diabetes to anyone, especially someone who's not sure if they want to try it. And that's kind of the situation I was in. But I would say, yes, definitely give it a try. It's definitely worth it. And I think you will see positive results. Any kind of a change like this in your life is difficult. And one of the challenges is to hang in there, to stay with it. If you've had a bad day or a bad week and you feel like you fell off the wagon, and you're not eating the way you're supposed to, it's okay. As our coach tells us, it's not about perfection. It's about the direction that you're going. It's not about perfection. It's about the direction. So that's important to remember to help you to hang in there when you've had the bad day or the bad week or whatever. The Mastering Diabetes is the right direction.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes meal guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1c fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1c low.